Let's begin with the high and low beam headlight on the driver's side. Open the hood and locate the high and low beam harness. Pull harness out from the bulb. The harness has a locking tab that requires to be pushed in while disconnecting. Next, twist the retainer locking ring counterclockwise and remove. The retainer locking ring will have to be aligned upon reinstallation. Remove the halogen bulb from the housing. The new LED bulb has a ring that requires to be removed. Start by holding the ring by one hand and twist the bulb until loose. Remove the ring. And find the Y-shape indentation on the ring. Next, align the ring locking tabs with the housing opening as well as the retainer ring tabs. Insert the LED ring with the Y shape facing up. Next, install the retainer locking ring and twist clockwise. Test the LED bulb firstly. To assemble back the LED bulb and adjust the beam, align the two notches and twist clockwise. The pigtail will first be in the 2 o'clock position. Continue to twist bulb until it is in the 6 o'clock position. And the LED chips should be facing left to right. Lastly, plug in the new LED bulb into the harness. Now, for the passenger side high and low beam, we will follow the same steps. Locate the headlight located in front of the battery. Important: removing the battery will create additional space for installation, however please be aware that it may cause the loss of personal settings. Let's start by reaching to the bulb harness. Press down on the harness locking tab and disconnect harness. Remove the retainer locking ring by twisting counterclockwise. And remove the halogen bulb from the housing. Insert the LED ring with the Y shape facing up. Next, install the retainer locking ring and twist clockwise. Test the LED bulb firstly. And install the LED light into the housing opening and twist clockwise. The pigtail will first be in the 2 o'clock position. Continue to twist bulb until it is in the 6 o'clock position. Let's see the difference between a halogen bulb and the new LED bulb during low beam mode. The new LED bulb measures at 3600 lux compared to the halogen which measures 1200 lux. And now during high beam mode, the new LED bulb measures at 2700 lux and the halogen light at 1300 lux. Clean cutoff line for optimal light output.